Well, good day, everybody. This is TripleChip's Unbox to Box. Show you another new item we got for the food truck here. It's a Starfrit electric pressure cooker. You can get these currently at Canadian Tire, $169.99. I got mine for considerably less because they always have great sales there. You got 16 preset cooking features, which are featured on the front here. And if you want to save up to 70% cooking time, this is the thing to get. It's got built-in safety mechanics for added features. For added safety, not added features. Cooks beef and bean chili 18 times faster than a slow cooker. Cooking progress is displayed to monitor cooking stages. What you get included too is a healthy recipe guide. So it just shows you different stuff on the box, how it's different features it's got. Like for instance, say you wanted to do up some chili. If you did it in your slow cooker, it would take you 4 to 8 hours. This guy, 27 minutes. Okay, what else is good? I don't know, we use brown lentil soup. But they say if you like brown lentil soup, it's 48 hours, 40 minutes. Want some pulled pork? That's a favorite of a lot of people. 48 hours, 40 minutes in here. And the last thing is showing is a chicken and vegetable stew. 48 hours typically, 26 minutes. That's comparing it to a slow cooker. So this thing is pretty quick. It's very similar to they make one by the same company, just like this blender. I got the Ninja, but this thing is about half the price, and it's got a way bigger capacity to it too. So let's just open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, where are we hooked on? There we go. I want to knock over my COVID shield. Or sneeze guard, what it used to be called. Okay. Woo, it's like a puzzle. Okay, first thing you see inside is you get your guide there. Shows you how to operate it. Different cooking times on various stuff. How to use preset cooking features. Maintenance, warranty. Then back here they got a few different recipes. Not many recipes, so if that's all they included, they got like one. Wow. Beef and beans chili, beef stew, some type of rice, sticky toffee pudding. That's one Gordon Ramsay likes. And coconut curry butternut squash soup. No thanks, but to you that like it, all the power to you. I know I'll never do that one, but that's what you get there. Must be a piece that goes inside. Do not use as a frisbee. Okay. Here's what you've been waiting for. Oh man, this is heavy. Are you kidding me? What was that BS about a cooking guide? That's it? 4 recipes? Come on, Starfrit. That's going to be your presets that you're going to have on the front of it. Rice, whole grains, pasta, oatmeal, fish, poultry, beef stew, beans, soup, potatoes, don't know what that is. You want to just leave it in the comments. I don't know what this is. Sauté, steam, bake, yogurt. You can make a cake in there. So, let's see what we get here for the grand unveiling. That looks pretty nice. That's just where you're going to vent out your steam, is right here. Let me get this thing up here. That's where you let out your steam. Those are the same things I was kind of showing you on the side of the box. All your controls there. You just kind of, it turns like that, it locks. Turn it that way, counterclockwise. The lid comes right off, so just don't leave it flip back or you might break it. See, it's made of really good materials. And that's that little switch I was showing you right there. Comes right off. Probably supposed to do that though. Just leave it over here for now. And you get the cord shoved inside here. Of course, it's got to be all wrapped up. Well, not to bore you when you unwrapping it. Your cord's just going to simply plug in. It's going to go inside here someplace. It's right there. Pretty simple. Just plug that in when you're going to use it. That boom. Got a little measuring cup inside. And some others, probably like a non-stick spoon or something you get here also. It's got a 16 cup capacity. You don't want to fill it past that line there. So you can make a lot of stew or something, or chili. That's what it looks like inside. When I've seen videos, they say you can make hard-boiled eggs or something like this within not 3-4 minutes. So it's probably a half to a third of the time of doing it on the stove. So that's probably what you got this for. You just put that in there and you can just set your eggs on top of there. So that's about it for this one. You want to get a decent priced, well, what do they call it again? It's not a slow cooker. It's a electric pressure cooker. Alright, it's just what you see out there too. There's other ones called Instapot, just some other fancier name, but all around for you're watching your dollars, this is your best buy out there. Pretty bulletproof item to have, so we'll catch you in the next one. This one's over. Have a good day.